Welcome to the Rock ID Lab. We're going to do this in 3 parts, and that will make it a lot easier for you because I'm telling you in advance that samples 1 through 5 are igneous. In separate episodes, we'll look at samples 6 through 10, which will be sedimentary, and then 11 through 15, which will be metamorphic. Now, the key to being able to do this as painlessly as possible is to first narrow down which of the descriptions fit that category, because then you're only trying to figure out which sample this is out of 5 total instead of all 15. So the first thing I did was I went through my descriptions and I identified lava or magma in the description to narrow down which 5 of the samples are igneous. Okay? And then once you look at those descriptions, there will be some clues. For example, rhyolite comes from magma, and it says that it is a light-colored rock. If you look at these samples here, there's really only one that I would call light-colored. So that is going to narrow down your identification process quite a lot. Okay? So going through these, again, there are clues written in the words that you'll try to match it with. This one is black, and it looks like black glass. It's very shiny and glass-like. Number 2 has a variety of colors. There's some sort of black/gray, there's some sort of reddish color, reddish pink, and there's some white crystals. And the crystals are fairly sizable. You can actually see the different crystals and the variation in the color pretty easily. Number 3, the crystals are not quite as big as in this one, but they are a lot more evident than in this sample number 1, and they are sort of a black/gray. Number 4 has a unique characteristic. It's a sort of reddish brown color, but the thing I think is most unique is these little like holes in it. That kind of indicates that at one point in time there was a gas bubble in there when it was cooling. And it feels very lightweight for its size. And last one, number 5, is a sort of whitish cream colored rock. I think that should give you enough clues that using the information on your paper, you should be able to identify those igneous rocks.